Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I know you love the sea views. I know you love the beautiful Italian charm, the Italian home tours, and all of the stuff that you get in a place in Italy, especially in Calabria along the coast. Pete found this gorgeous, fully renovated house up there in the historic center of Maiera. If you've never been up to the historic center of Maiera, it is absolutely gorgeous. It has really well maintained, nice streets, beautiful views, spectacular views. You're gonna love this one. It's 2 beds, 2 bath, around 100 square meters, and unbelievable terrace. Check it out, guys.